Hey everyone, I'm Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you guys a 2024 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. Let's go ahead and hop inside. All right guys, here we are inside the boat. As you guys probably noticed on the outside and under the hardtop, it is a light blue gel coat. Up front we do have nice storage and seating up here, flip up backrest, so as you fold down. You have a cooler box right there, anchor storage right there. We do have a plug for your trolling motor receptacle up there. Then right here is one of my favorite areas. Tons of storage. I can't open it one-handed. Oh yeah, I can. There you go. Look how much storage is in there. That's literally about 3 feet deep. Now since we're here, let's go ahead and look at the helm. We have a nice sea deck template right there. Wireless phone charger, nice Ritchie. Compass up front, Simrad display, Mercury vessel view, gauges right there as well, JL audio head unit, all your switches, digital throttle and shift with the Mercury 300 on the back, and the nice glove box right here. So moving around the boat, we do have this leaning post right here with the storage, 4 cup holders, 2 rod holders. We have a live well right there, nice jump seats right here. Additional storage and access to the bilge right there. Go ahead and show you one more thing. It's the head compartment inside here. Additional storage. Those are your 3 battery boxes for your trolling motor, so you can get up to a 36 volt trolling motor on this boat. You guys, this is an awesome boat here at MarineMax Houston. You should definitely come see it while we have it. We also have its big brother, the 280 Dauntless here. It's the twin engine version of this boat. A little bit wider, a little bit longer. Has a nice little dive door on the side too. So if you guys have any questions, my name is Billy Folks with MarineMax in Houston. You can reach me at 936-223-6770. Thank you and have a great day.